Action.
Hello everyone, welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. Today we are going to test 500 grams of powder test on the ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional and easy to operate. It is customized nitrogen gas filling device on this machine. Okay, let me run the machine to show you how it works. Here is the touch system. Here is the parameter setting page. Here is the setting page. The length we are setting now, 310 mm. And the other parameter setting. Okay, now let me run the machine to show you how it works. Okay, I stop the machine first. Let's check the finish specs. Okay, let's check the bag shape. The end sealings of the bag. The vertical sealing of the bag. Here's the printing results. If you are interested in this customized granule product packing machine, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.